hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's cold. It's cold. I the work that is waiting for me. Let me just go and bath and do makeup, because I'm gonna be shooting like 15 videos today. Honestly, it's not even funny. By the way, I got this diary. It's a 2025 diary from my boss, and next year it's already looking busy. That's not the way it came. I wrapped it up in foil because I brought it home from work yesterday and it was raining, so I just chose to preserve it, all of this, so that you guys will not go and be screaming munching my content for the year. Yeah, so that's what I have to do. 18 products to review. Like, it's in this house. It's a full-on warehouse. So for next year also, I have plans to start a masterclass for influencers who are looking to start their own content creation journey, to teach what I know and what I've learned along the lines of content creation. In October was officially 5 years of content creation. I can't believe that this thing I started out of boredom, out of fun. Like, it's something that it's a side hustle, because it has given me, if I'm not mistaken, it has given me about 3 streams of income. The first is I'm generating revenue on YouTube as a content creator that is monetized. The second avenue is by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing in the sense that, you know, when I show you a product and I tell you guys the link to their products will be in the description box. If you use my unique code, that unique code generates income. It's not as much as something, but it adds up when a number of you click and use my unique code. A friend of mine used my code and I got about £30 from her purchase. It just depends on whatever percent you are on. I'll talk more about that during my masterclass. I'm trying to drop a draft, so that's number 2, through affiliate marketing, which is just a commission on each sale that is generated from my unique code. That's just to put it simply. And the last avenue is brand partnership, and that's when a brand reaches out and they are offering you a lump sum to promote their products. For example, I unboxed this tablet with you guys a couple of vlogs back, and for a brand who's looking to promote this tablet, we'll send you this product. I will ask them what their budget is, and for this partnership I charge a fee. So that is where the money comes from. All these 3 avenues that I'm talking about, the one that pays most is brand partnership. So that's the lump sum that brands give you to promote their products, and that is the one that you really get to cash out more. I would say if you are just on YouTube creating videos, that's not really where the money is, and that's what I'm looking to break down in my masterclass that will be starting in the first quarter of the year 2025. So you guys stay tuned. I'm jotting things down. I've been writing down my points, and I'm going to make it really affordable. And I'm not talking anything £100 and £50. No, it's really affordable for anybody and everybody to join, whether you have started your content creation journey now, or you are looking to start in January, or you're looking to start in the year 2025. This is something for every and anybody. See, you guys, I'm already talking. And when I start talking about content creation, brand, my blood used to boil small. And I wish that more people who are in this line will do the same, because we rise by lifting others up. If you have a knowledge or a skill in a particular area, and you see someone who's looking to get in that area, and you can say 1 or 2 things that will help that person's journey be easier than yours, by telling them what you have learned from your own experience, what has helped you, what pitfalls to avoid. If you can do that and it's within your power, like you're not going out of your way to help somebody, even if you are going to be inconvenienced, if it's not going to be detrimental to you, like if it would just cost you a few minutes, why not help somebody? the way I see YouTube has a ripple effect. For example, when I started content creation in South Africa, late 2019, early 2020, I started in October 2019 to be exact, and that was a couple of months after I had Daniel. I struggled a lot because YouTube was new to me. If you are a pioneer in that niche or in that line or topic, it could go two ways for you. You could either be the only person that people are looking at in terms of advice and all of that, and you might not be giving accurate information, because if you are the only one who has found something out, you are also in a trial and error stage. If you and a bunch of other people are creating content in a particular niche, it rubs off on each other. The reason why I say that is because I don't know if you guys remember, maybe 2-3 years ago, when healthcare was a hot topic here on YouTube. You would notice that a number of people who were creating content around healthcare blew up at the same time. This was when channels like Nanelle Grazilda took off. You see people like Tochi Esther, Faith Ojone, Gloria Otiko, Fajira, people like that took off. And when they created content, the ripple effect was that all of them were growing together. And some of us who joined later on, there were a ton of us who joined later on. And if you also notice, the ripple effect was also there. Well, I'm already talking. I'm already giving you guys gist. But that's what I'm saying. We rise by little. If you think you're the only one in a particular area talking about something, and you don't want to share your secrets, you don't want people to know how you're doing things, well, it will not really carry, because when you create an impact, it doesn't resonate. Like, it does not bounce off anything. When the algorithm picks your video, it really has nothing to bounce off. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So when there's 2 or 3 of you release a video in a particular area, you're talking about this thing, or this is what your channel is about, even if it's vlogs. If your vlogs resonate with someone else's kind of vlogs, you will appear in that person's feed. That's how YouTube keeps suggesting your videos to repeat audience, to audience just coming across your channel for the first time. That's how you bounce off. But if it's just you, it's hard for YouTube to pair you with any other, even if it's not YouTube, if it's Instagram, if it's TikTok. If your content doesn't resonate with someone else's, there's nothing to bounce off. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but that's what I'm going to be talking about in my masterclass, and how you can schedule your uploads, how you can have an endless stream of content, things like that. How you can be unique with products. Say if they gave me the Stanley Cup, for example, oh, please promote my Stanley Cup. How are you going to talk about the Stanley Cup that will be different from how Melissa Oti does it, from how Faith Ojana would do it? You know, something like that. That's what I'm saying. It's how you can stand out, how you can be your own pacing. Is necessary. So things like that. That's what I'm going to be talking about in my masterclass. This year, God has surprised me beyond my imagination, beyond, far beyond. I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to brands who have also trusted me with their products. Alright, you guys, stay tuned for my masterclass. I promise you, it's going to be value adding. Because if you are in this country, in fact, as a matter of fact, if you are in any country of the world, if you are alive, you know that your salary is not enough. You need other ways to generate income. Whether you want to be on a channel like this, whether you don't want to show your face, there are ways to make money. There are ways. And we're gonna be doing that in 2025. Because what? We must make money. There is money to be made. On this internet, that's where everybody is. If you see anybody that can stay 1 hour, I'm not one of them, by the way. I'm trusting God to leave gadgets small. But if you can see someone 1 hour who does not fiddle with a device, who doesn't check for updates or notification, please sign me up. I need coach. I need life coach. Everybody's on their phone. That's what I'm trying to say. Literally, guys. I'll talk to you later. Oh my God, what a day, guys. I thought I would be able to finish like all the videos I wanted to do, but you guys, it's cold. It's freezing. Tonight we're having ribs and chips. I got this rack of ribs. This is pork ribs. This is the second one. The first one, I showed you that in a vlog a couple of vlogs ago. So this one, I'm going to use it to review my Kosori twin fryer. I'm going to mix up my spices in this bowl. Alright you guys, so let's jump straight into our Christmas challenge. We are reviewing chapter 7 in today's vlog. In this chapter we see Jesus heal a centurion servant. This was a man who was operating at a deeper level, light years ahead of his generation. He believed that Jesus didn't have to come physically. All he had to do was just send his word and his servant to be healed. We also see Jesus stop a funeral in progress and restored the dead son back to his mother. Also in this chapter we see John the Baptist, who baptized Jesus, lose faith in Jesus because he didn't come to rescue him from the prison. And lastly, we have the woman with the alabaster box come to anoint Jesus's feet with her perfume. And because the Pharisees were there, you know, our favorite people now, they judged the woman and by extension Jesus for allowing a prostitute to touch him. They doubted his ministry, saying, are you truly a prophet? Anyway, you guys, how are you guys keeping up with the challenge? What stood out to you in this chapter? Let me know how it is going in the comment section. Also, don't forget to let me know what you are grateful for. I feel like this is one of the recipes that you cannot mess up. You cannot mess this up. It comes out perfect every time. You can also choose to adjust the level of heat anyhow you like. I just finished mine off with a drizzle of sesame seeds and that is it. So I've taken off my makeup and I'm just preparing for church tomorrow. I used to do something before but I stopped, but now I want to start it again. I used to pick out my clothes the night before and it usually saves me time, but I stopped doing it a while ago and I'm noticing that, you know, it's starting to affect my time management. So I'm going to pick out the boys' clothes and pick up my own clothes as well. I've also gone ahead to do my skin prep. Guys, I shaved my face. I don't know if you guys do it, but I shaved my face. I think I've shown you guys on the channel once before. Plus, I also got this package the other day and it is a pack of testers. These are perfume testers. So these perfumes are from a brand called the Salt Works Company. I get a £25 voucher with these testers. I also get a manual to see all the different fragrances that they have and basically what the store is about. So there's different information on each scent. The box comes with 10 mini bottles of testers and some test strips. So I'm just going to try one. The one I have in my hand now is Tabac Soleil. I want to try another one. I think this is a very great innovative from a brand, not just for me, but for anyone who's looking to try their product for the first time. So you can get a small pouch like this and test a couple of their perfumes just to see which one agrees with you or which one is more your style. So yeah, I'm going to definitely be ordering a big bottle because my voucher covers that. The next one I'll be trying is the Lady Marmalade. Oh, smells like my mom. And I'm going to be ordering the full-size bottle of this one. So they have this for men and women, so you might want to check that out. So I will be picking up my clothes now and get ready to sleep. Plus I'm going to be editing this video in preparation for tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be a long day. I don't know about you guys, but Sundays for me are usually a long day. I don't know. Alright you guys, that's it from me. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 9. Good night.